General Santos City is generally peaceful, considering that the shooting incident every year is reduced to 50% compared to the previous years, when I assume 2 years ago. And the recent shooting incident last January and February, we have recorded, sir, about 6. On the 6, mayroon na lang tayo, sir, na 4 na ongoing. Yung ating dito, sir, sa Ligaya nangyari. Diretsuhin na lang natin, sir, na Police Station 3. Station Commander, Police Major Dunca, in our meeting last night, for filing na po, sir, na inquest na, subscribe na po ang mga ating affidavits ng ating witnesses para madiin or masampan natin yung principal suspect, yung nagutos doon sa shooting incident diyan sa Ligaya. At ngayong umaga, sir, o ngayong hapon, pilitin namin ma-file yung kaso. On the part of Police Station 7, Police Major Cardos, ipapile na namin yung kaso, pero nahuli na natin yung suspect. Sa iba naman yung kaso, bypass operations dito sa Police Station 2. Pero for the past 3 years at large siya. Pero kilala na natin siya dahil sila lang naman yung nagiinuman. While on that dawn, nagkaalitan, maya-maya, nagkaroon ng shooting incident wherein natamaan yung senior citizen na hindi naman sila sadya dahil hindi naman yun yung kalaban niya. Pero rest assured, sir, na kayong hapon, may-file na natin yung kaso, and luckily, nahuli na rin, sir, yung suspect. And on the apparent incident, sir, wherein the victim is a tricycle driver and may nurse na damay, no, sa pangyayari. Mayroon na tayong persons of interest, sir. Pinaayos na rin natin yung affidavits at saka ibang ebidensya para makapag-file ng kaso sa tatlo nating suspect. Kasi tatlo yan, sir, the principal, accessories, as well as yung tumulong, yung driver, at saka yung isa na spotter. Bali, tatlo sila lahat. At we are hoping na gather na natin yung mga ebidensya to file a case against the suspect. Now, pleading away, believed to be somewhere in Lanao Norte and Sur, and our intel are ongoing follow-ups on their whereabouts on the given 3 addresses. So yun yung latest, sir, na insidente, the 6th shooting incident here in our area in General Santos City.
Any queries
Mr.
to
Chair.
the good colonel? But before the query, may I ask Honorable Beth to assume first the presiding officer temporarily?
Thank you, Honorable Vice Mayor. We now proceed to your report. We have here in our midst our good City Director, Colonel Nicomedes Olaybar. You have now the floor.
Madam Chair,
Colonel.
kindly recognize the Honorable Meliasa.
Are we now on the question and answer portion?
Yes, Madam Chair.
No longer the introduction of the good Colonel?
Kindly recognize
The-
the Honorable Meliasa.
The Honorable Ramon Miliasa is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Floor Leader and Madam Chair. Good morning, sir. To the good City Director, may I ask some questions, sir? My concern this morning is about police visibility. Ano ba karami ang mga police natin dito sa General Santos ngayon?
Yes, sir. We have 1,148 policemen, sir, here in General Santos City, composing of 10 police station, Season 1 to 10. Mayroon tayong City Mobile Force Company, mayroon tayong Mobile Patrol Unit, at mayroon tayong Traffic Enforcement Unit. May kanya-kanya silang task, sir, sa ating law enforcement requirements. So, on the part of police visibility, sir, round the clock naman yon. Araw-araw tayong nakakahuli ng hindi bababa sa 40 to 60 to 80 a day on four wheels or motorcycles na nakabaylit sa ating kalsada. Lalo na yung may dalang mga kontraban, illegal drugs, loose firearms, explosive. Last time, nakakahuli rin tayo ng mga granada diyan sa ating kalsada with the use of a motorcycle na walang kaukulang documents, walang ORCR. So that is why, sir, very effective ang ating police visibility, sir, which is the conduct of Upland Bakal Sita, stop and frisk operation, choke points, and other lockdown operations, sir. The main purpose is to secure our community or prevailing peace and order here in our city, sir.